Good morning, boys and girls. Today you are going to write out your reports on Kensuke in full. Remember, it should be in third person. Yesterday, most of you have done your plan. If you haven't done that, please do that before you start your report. And below, I have put, I think, 2 templates for your reports. You can choose whichever one you would like to do, or if you prefer to create your own template, that would be really nice. I would prefer them to be handwritten, but if not, you can just insert text boxes on straight from OneNote. Try and get as much done as you can today, but don't worry if you don't finish. You could try and catch up at another time. So first of all, the first box is for your title. And for my title, I'm going to use some alliteration, and I've inserted a text box with Kensuke's crazy, chaotic life. I'm then going to start my introductory paragraph about Kensuke. Here is an introductory paragraph from a biography about Michael Morpurgo. We are not creating biographies because Kensuke is a fictional character, so we are creating a report. And remember, the introductory paragraph should describe who, what, where, but not give too much away. So if you pause this video and just read through it. This is a great introductory paragraph because it explains who, so Michael Morpurgo. It explains what he does. He's one of Britain's most acclaimed and popular children's authors. He's a charity worker, a family man, and it explains why he is of interest to the reader. He's an inspiration to adults and children alike. He's been awarded a knighthood in recognition of his achievements. So you need to create your introductory paragraph about Kensuke, thinking about who, what, and why. Best introductory paragraphs will contain descriptive language, so adjectives. So here, for example, we have he's acclaimed, he's popular, he's successful. So make sure your introductory paragraph has some adjectives to describe Kensuke in it.